What's the meaning of body snatcher? Body snatcher. Body snatcher.
Body snatcher. Body snatcher. The term body snatcher typically refers to someone who steals or takes over the physical body of another person. This can be done through various means, such as possession, mind control, or even surgery. The result of body snatching can be incredibly traumatic and disturbing for both the victim and those around them. It can lead to a loss of identity and sense of self, as well as physical harm or even death in extreme cases. Body snatching is often portrayed in popular culture as a dark and unsettling concept, and for good reason.